What is up? Your girl is back with a quick weave. So this is a braid down. I don't know if you can see. I don't know. And this is the leave out all around. And this is the hair I'm gonna be using. Cheap hair. This might be a short video. Quick weave, quick video. I don't really remember how to do it at all. But we gonna get it together. One down. I don't have my pump it up. I'm gonna have to use my got to be. Should I cut a hole in the hair? Yeah, let's see. What the heck? We still gonna put it there. Right there gonna be missing here. Uh-oh. I'm gonna figure it I got it close. Where's my mirror?
Why do I try? Why do I try? Why do I try? Why do I try?
This ain't even good. It's just because I ain't have no sprays. I don't know about this pattern. I should have gone with the pattern I seen. I should have gone with the pattern that the girl did, because I'm going based off of a video I saw. So I don't know, I was trying to be different, but if I don't like this loose body wave, I'm gonna get the kinky curly one because it's about to be summertime. I'm trying to look Puerto Rican, baby. First of all, I'm scared to cut this because it might move. So I'm gonna put one track and then cut it. This is hard.
Why do I try? Why do I try? Why don't you tell me why I can't sleep at night?
Yo, we finna look up kind of nice.
Why don't you tell me why I can't sleep at night?
Why do I try? Why do I try?
Why don't you tell me why I can't sleep at night?
Why do I try? Why do I try?
Why don't you tell me why I can't sleep at night?
Why do I try? Why do I try?
Okay, I got it off. Foundation needs to be better.
Why do I try?
Why don't you tell me why I can't sleep at night?
This is harder than I thought. I don't know who I thought I was. Okay, let's try a different way. Let's lay the glue first. First of all, you can't see the back. I am stressed out. OMG. I'm not feeling it. I'm not feeling it at all. Last piece. So I end up using 1.5 bundle. Hard working woman, you know. So how we gonna do this body wave on my hair? This edge control smells so good. Let's see, little eels. Little eels. The moment of truth. Okay, here it goes. I don't know why it ain't blending. What? Can you do that? Next minute, you know, I'll be in problem.